Dear friends, welcome and thank you for being here. Today we are very proud to announce you two avant-premières. First of all, the building of the new headquarters for Flying Group in Antwerp, and afterwards we show you the movie Hurricane. The new headquarters will be built for our customers, pilots, and even more important, for our employees. Feel home at work and be dedicated to provide the best service for our customers. Our program started by consulting Kurt Heuten from Research Institute NOF. He told us to work on the 3 B's. Behavior, creating open workspaces. Bytes, using the new techniques of IT and communication. And third, bricks, which further will be explained by our architect and energy consultant.
My name is Stefan de Lausne from A2D Architects Office in Brussels, and we are asked by the Flying Group to design and create a new office building at Antwerp Airport. The plans are to replace the existing building into a new building with new offices, new meeting rooms, new reception area, new lounge rooms for visitors, but also for the pilots, with a lot of perspective into the building where you can have a view on the activities of the Flying Group. The vision of Flying Group is reflected in the design in a way that we try to design a building where you can feel at home. Not only the employees, but also the visitors and the cabin crew. You try to work with natural materials like timber and green aspects. It's very important to create the opportunity to add natural light into the building. In the new building, we created a lot of new openings, so you can see the planes, you can see the jets, you can see the air. Another important aspect in the design is that we work with open plan, open spaces, where people can meet, so the knowledge can spread out, which is very important in a new way of working. Working for a Flying Group means a lot for us, because it's very exciting to design and create a new office building for Flying Group with the Zero Energy label.
My name is Geert de Bruin from GDB Engineering, and we are responsible for the energy concept and the engineering of the technical installations in this building. This new office building for Flying Group will be a high-end, state-of-the-art zero energy building with optimal comfort for its staff and visitors. This zero energy building uses no fossil fuels and generates its own energy demand. It's a passive building with optimal insulation and airtightness of the building envelope. There are triple glazed windows, and all the south-faced windows have solar protection. We use all the best available technologies for heating, cooling, ventilation and lighting. For example, heating and cooling, therefore we use thermal activated floors and ceilings. In summertime, we cool the building with groundwater that is re-injected in the ground. In wintertime, it goes the other way around, and we reuse the heat in the ground to heat the building with a geothermal heat pump. This project for me is rather exceptional because it's on an airport. It's a very nice cooperation with the team of Flying Group.
Flying Group is also a social responsible company. We support Professor Cédric Blancpain in his research to cancer treatment. Professor Blancpain is one of the most innovative researchers in his domain, and we thank our customers and you all for supporting him.
I'm Cédric Blancpain. I'm a medical doctor and professor at University Libre de Bruxelles. I'm studying with my group different questions related to stem cells and cancer, and I'm leading a group of 40 researchers. So I'm working on the most frequent cancer in humans. I work on skin cancer and basal cell carcinoma, which affect about 1 man or woman out of 6. And I work also on breast cancer, which affect 1 woman out of 7, 8. To understand the cellular origin of cancer may have very important implications for cancer prevention. and understanding how cancer grows and how cancer resists to therapy may have immediate implication for cancer therapy. I had the chance to meet Bernard Van Minders, the CEO of Flying Groups, and Bernard is helping me in a different way. Bernard first is flying me to the very difficult destination in conference where I'm going, and so this helped me to save a lot of time in my busy schedule. And secondly, Bernard and his friends had set up a donation to fund a line of research in my laboratory which aim at understanding the mechanism underlying the metastasis, the killer in cancer. The private donation is fundamental for the funding of my lab. Without private funding, we would not be able to do all the important research that we are doing. If you want to help us, you can wire a donation toward the Fondation ULB, which will be tax exempted up to 45% of your donation. And I would like already to thank you in advance for your generosity.
With the movie Hurricane, we want to share with you our passion for aviation. The Eagle Squadron will keep a Hurricane airplane in our facility and have some warbirds in flying conditions to remember the heroic days of the Second World War. Ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy the movie.